Okay, so I tasted it. It tastes really, really good. It tastes a lot like a berry, just like a blackberry. It has the texture of a grape. So cute. Get that yummy, like a pomegranate kind of. So yeah, I hope you have a great day. And oh, this is my mini. I've had it for a long time. Makes the best waffles. It's awesome. My mini brand is awesome from Walmart. They have like egg makers and stuff. Yeah. Have a great Friday. So crazy it's Friday. I thought it was Monday because we had New Year's on a random. So New Year's is like what? I don't know, Wednesday. So that's why I'm so confused. Tree's still up. Yeah, the lights should turn off because it's daytime. I'm gonna throw this box. And she was so happy